Do you want to create your own personal brand that sells? And in doing so, have your customers keep coming back again and again and again? That's why I created Brands That Sell, a 5-day branding bootcamp. And it's just for you. My name is Steph and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and their profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack, an online marketing membership for entrepreneurs. Did you know that a solid brand increases customer loyalty by 93%? And when your branding is on point, you can increase your revenue by 23%? Holy cow! But you may be wondering, is this bootcamp Brands That Sell for me? Well, if you're a small business owner, network marketer, or affiliate marketer, it definitely is. Can you identify with any of these statements? You're not sure how to brand yourself. What really does my unique voice mean? Or maybe you've switched things up. You've started a new business and changed industries and need to develop a new brand. Right now, you might be making sales, but your customers aren't really buying from you again and again and again. Do you want to increase your revenue in 2022? Are you top of mind in your industry when so-and-so thinks of, oh, hey, I'm going to talk to her for this item? You know you want to be known for XYZ, but you aren't sure how to get there. Another one I hear all the time is, the riches are in the niches. But what does that even mean? Less people, more money? How does that even work? How do you actually niche yourself down? And of course, you want to attract more of your people, but aren't sure how. You know, the loyal ones, the ones that do keep coming back again and again and again. Or maybe you found that you have a disconnect. What you post about in your offer, they don't really match. But how do you bridge the gap? Maybe you're further along in your business journey, but you don't really have a visual brand and don't know where to start in creating one. Are people recognizing you just by how your content appears? By simply looking at your content, would your network know that it's you? If you identified with any of these statements, Brands That Sell, a 5-day branding bootcamp is definitely for you. Now, this bootcamp isn't for you if you just want to wave a magic wand and have someone else do all the work. I will guide you, but you still have to take the steps yourself. This bootcamp is 5 days, and each day in just a 5-minute video, you'll learn how to create a brand that sells. And we'll cover all these topics. It might seem crazy to cover all that material in such a short amount of time, but that's what I'm known for. Quick wins, actionable trainings that are right to the point. By the end of the week, you'll know how to brand yourself, to be known as the expert, and how to position yourself really well. You'll also have a niched down brand. Your brand will be in alignment where your content and your offer connect. You'll know how to attract your super fans, the ones that keep coming back again and again. And you'll know the trick to developing a brand that lasts and is consistent. Brands That Sell will set you up for success. So if you want to join the bootcamp, check out this link that is popping up on the screen. I can't wait to help you develop your own personal brand that sells. After you sign up for the bootcamp, head on over to stephanieparisi.com, where I have lots of other things that can help you win in your business as well. If you haven't, hit that like button, leave me a comment if you have a question about the bootcamp, and check out either of these 2 videos that are popping up on the screen, as they're also here to help you win in your business. And I will be back next week with another new video.